On that morning, they were doing some checking of the safety valve. This is located on the steam dome next to the whistle. They gave me fair warning, so I had time to put my hearing protection on, but I didn't start recording in time to see the start of it. But it lasted almost 3 minutes. Half of that time was some high-pitched squeal, and it was painful for the ears. And even now, editing this video, it still is painful, so I'm not including that. On my video angle, and also seen in this photograph, of the two streams of steam, the one on the right looks to be coming from the whistle, but that's just an illusion from this angle. From this photo taken a bit earlier, you can see that there's a second safety valve on the right-hand side, the one that's more brass colored, almost directly below the whistle. Here's another photograph from earlier that morning by the shed at a different angle, and you can see this distinctly. But when I first started editing this video, I was fooled, thinking that part of the steam was coming from the whistle. No, that's just the way it looked from that angle. As I was recording this scene, behind me was the burned out shell of Comox Logging Railway Company Crew Speeder 102. This speeder, which has been operational at various times in recent years, was almost ready to be operational again for visitor rides, and it was destroyed by arsonists on June 16, 2026. Youth arsonists, like really young teenagers. Those kids destroyed the work of many volunteers who had poured their hearts and soul and time and energy and skill and money into restoring the speeder for operation. Later on in this video, I set up to show the train moving past this burned out speeder. What angers me even more is this view of one of the train coaches, which had been vandalized, and you can see the cover-up paint on it. And now we've got more vandalism in the foreground. What an unfair situation for the hard-working volunteers at Alberni Pacific Railway. This is not fair.